Saturday, January 6th, 2024. Hope everybody had a good new year and a good start to the year. We're back and just going to continue with electrical, doing things like lacing wires underneath there. Going to look into we need to commit to getting our fan installed here, so we'll get figure out the placing and the hole size, and we'll get that done so that we can keep going with our lacing project underneath here and getting all the wiring organized and cleaned up. So that's all we have on our list for today, and if we get any further than that, then bonus. All right, here we go. Oh, pretty dark out here. I didn't get out to get a weather check before the sun went down. But actually a pretty nice day today, kind of cloudy, a little cool, a little bit of wind, but other than that, not too bad. All right, done for today, and we did get this this fan installed here. I didn't get it wired. I've got the wiring here. We still have to do. But I got that in there, and it's the only purpose for this is just to move just a little bit of air around under this cowl when that's all installed. It's not for like serious cooling or anything like that, but it's just to move the air a little bit. Also worked some more on our wiring down here. We did get, it's kind of a mess right now, but we did get this, we call this the P1 connector. And that's all terminated and connected. That's things like the starter relay, alternator field, fuel pump. It comes from, basically, it's all those switches there that needed to be connected. So we've got that part done. But yeah, again, like I said, it's a little bit of a mess there, so we're working on getting that organized and cleaned up, see what we can get. Oh, pitot heat, like I did pitot heat in there too. So anyway, other than that, that's pretty much what we worked on today. So yep, not much else to say about it. So, hey, everybody, thanks for watching the videos, and have a good evening, and that's it for now.